On this 5-minute chart, I'm thinking they come down, dip a little bit, do a little dance, and then resolve it to a direction. That's why I'm long into it, expecting this 5-minute wedge here action to be kind of held. But if it doesn't, it'll probably dump lower. We'll see. So right now it's doing pretty much exactly the same thing. Makes it look weak. It can come down here, sell 300-400 points, and then do a rocket green candle to the upside. That's what I'm thinking it can possibly do. I'm holding some call, but if it doesn't do that, then, you know, I'll be hurt. But I have risk management and I'll know how to play that. So the dip so far has worked well. I'm going to sell that pop here. Nice. Sell the pop too. Nice. First trade, 1100, 2 contracts only, guys. I want them to hold above 450, but if they start selling below 450, it's going to look more bearish than I like. So I really don't want them to crack the 450, but right now they're acting really weak, really weak. $560 straight down rejection, 60 points. Yeah. Sell this pop. Sell the pop. Nice. 800 bucks. I'm out. Second trade. Green. Nice. I got 9 funded bull knocks now. Oh, that's why they're not lined up here. I could have lined them up over there. But I know most people don't want to pay 200 bucks, 300 bucks a month for Discord. That's why we're keeping everything free. I mean, that's what we're doing right now. Because I know most of you guys want to keep things free. But I mean, if you guys insist going forward, I mean, I can create something paid. I mean, but I know most people don't want. So that's why I told you guys, as long as you keep using my code, FSP, to buy your accounts, then I'll keep it forever free for you guys, right? But I'm going for the long because I think they're going to chop around, you see? So sell. Nice. 1400. Third trade green. Great job. Lock it in. First in, first out. It depends on what you mean first, right? For some people, first is here. Some people, first is here. I mean, like, entries is pretty subjective. Like if I go and take a short right now, you can say I'm early if it rips all the way up here. But if it dumps all the way here, you'll say I'm first in. You can only know when it's first and last in hindsight. Hindsight trading is the easiest. You know, you look at a chart like this, bro, just short here and cover here. Bro, just buy here and sell there. That's the easiest, hindsight trading, right? But we live in a real market. We trade live. You know, live, you can't Photoshop. Live, we bank together. So, cover. Nice. So now, in that sense, I shorted here and covered here. You can say I'm first in, first out. Dip that.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Nice.
Order filled.
Nice. Nice.
Order submitted.
Nice.
Order filled. Order filled.
Guys, lock some here, man. Lock some, man. Lock some. Lock some, guys. Lock some.
Order submitted.
Lock some, okay? Best because lots of trades. Well, there you go, Sal Trader. Good to see you, man. ICT Best. Beast. Okay, #1 on YouTube MW. Guys, make sure you lock some, okay? Make a difference. I'm gonna clock it out here, man. 3,700. Gem to 38.2. This one needs about 400 bucks to pass. You get the maximum discount. If you use my code, you get the maximum discount. If you use the Prof Rooms code, you also get the same discount. So you don't pay a cent extra by using my code FSP. You love the strategy. Eval strategy just passed one today, Sebastian. Great job, man. Great job. Okay, guys, the VIX is right now at 23.5, but it doesn't mean that it has to go straight down. When the VIX goes down, volatility index goes down, it means that the market is on its way pushing up. Usually that's how it works. There's a correlation there. But, you know, also the VIX can also go down and have a little pop up. So if the market starts selling again, then it could just be a pullback on the VIX to go higher. So it depends on what you think it is. Obviously, I shorted into this because of this parabolic short. This is a parabolic short right here, okay? Parabolic goes straight up, cover one. Parabolic short, okay? Boom, boom. V-shape up, and you see this volume exhaustion candle. Huge breakdown. Short into that. Obviously, I was not looking. I would have probably short around there, but I got in a little late. So I short into that. So.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Under 600, I think they're going to come down to at least 480, 460 area. So they can, after a push like this, I think they're going to do some little dance. So I'm gonna short into the dance, a little boom boom ba, little cha cha cha. I'm gonna short into the dance and cover on the drop, and then possibly go long here again. So do a little boom boom ba, cha cha cha. So make sure you go and smash the like button if you want me to keep on doing play by play commentary. Make sure you smash the like button, okay? And subscribe to the channel, because if you guys don't smash the like button, I'm like, okay, you know, these guys don't care anyway, so I might as well just, you know, not tell them. You're new to the channel, Sylvia? Welcome, welcome. There you go. Took one. I'm gonna cover it. Nice. Nice. 2 cons. Very nice, guys. 1700. This account's passed. I have my course here, fspfutures.com. The 5 modules to me to lock in the, you know, this $31,000 payout with Apex. And it's all by just doing what you see on stream. But once you're in, you gotta go and check out, like, for example, module 3.2. Right, for example, this morning, I've blown a brand new funded account. And I'm okay with it. A brand new Bonox funded account. I just reactivated a brand new one as well. Inside this PA roster, I show you how some of my accounts are 80-90% win rate or more and get the payout, and some they blow up because they sacrifice so others can go in for it. So, I mean, by using this strategy, I've been able to repeatedly for the past 9 months lock in payouts after payouts after payouts. GC is fun to trade when it pumps. I just trade NQ. Too many instruments to look at. Try to get good at one. For me, it's just that's it. So trying to do a sweep short here. Jam into the 38.2, the confluence of that sweep. They're holding so far. With a pump, they probably go to 510, 520. Next. Getting squeezed a little bit here. Getting squeezed a little bit. Buyer stepped in. Hard to say buyer stepped in that one candle there. Because I knew I can adjust up there. So, I mean, if you panicked out, let's see, you full ported there. I mean, sweep short, I shorted this on a quick pump, and they did one more higher. That's what I like to do sometimes. Like, even on sweep short, see, now I got covered. Cover one more. Nice.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Right, pass this account. Nice, $300. Pass 1 2. Quick scalp. 76.4 fib. I think they chop around. I doubt they go straight down, but I could be wrong. I'm about to hit one of my Trader 500. Takes one more leg lower. I'm going to hit one of my Trader 500. Hourly is looking really bad. 4 hour looking bad. I definitely won't short down here in the 5 minute. I know some of you do that, and you know, if it breaks down, great. But this is not my type of short. I don't short when it goes down like this. You know, and it could keep breaking and go to low of day. It could go a low of day, but I just don't like shorting down here like that.
Order submit. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Remember to lock those 10, 15, 20 points, right? We also got into the 76.4 fib on the 5 minute. So a bunch of confluence. I'm belonging into that confluence.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Nice pump.
Filled.
Nice. Nice.
Order filled.
I'm looking for rejection. If they don't reject here, they can prop it up and go higher. I'm looking for rejection here. You got your money back in that pump. Nice. Great job, man.
Order.
Nice. $1,000 2 contracts. Great job, guys. 390 straight down, 150 points. Straight down, man. I mean, this is a funded account, so I don't want to kill the trailing on it. It's a brand new funded. the Bonox brand new that I lost this morning. This one's a reactivation of another one. So Bonox, so before you hit static, so I don't want to get killed on trailing here. I'm just gonna lock it. Nice. 1300 funded. First entry funded account. I'm good, man. Locking 1300 is funded. Beats me. Find the stream. I finally made my first payout with Apex. I was doing so much. Thank you, FSP and prayers help so much. Deal with the inner self. And we got Beats me here. Ernesto, another second ever payout. Small, but I'm gonna be content. Thank you, FSP. There you go. I mean, first payout ever, 1.5 years trading. Thank you, God and FSP. I'm blessed. There you go. Took another trade and happy with it. Thanks, FSP and all. 7K on Bonox. Trading again on the 19 news. Nice. Get a little hug there. A little some red here, but some green. Michael Sisto, great morning. Only one red, but tons of green. Funded looking good. Started feeling some motion, so I'm going to call it a day early. Nice. Great job, Michael. Eva 1400. Nice. One of them the pro. Great job. 3 funded and 1 trade if I pass so far. Great job, Dragon. B-Tech done for the day. Both PA green. 65 minutes of training and stayed in 40% rule. What a great day. Amazing stuff. Travel dude. Nice. I think I'm done for the day. Need 20K to pass. You guys, now that's the reason why I created this course, is because these 5 modules is basically in that 4 to 6 months of trial and error for me, from negative $20,000 in credit cards debt on futures broad firms to over $122,000 with Apex, and since then, much more payouts. I mean, this is what I've like. This is basically my step-by-step guide on how I approach futures broad firms and how I lock in those payouts. If you don't have the course, go to fspfutures.com. You can actually get it free if you use my code FSP to buy 10 take profit accounts or 5 instant funded accounts with Tradeify. Guys, if you're enjoying the stream, please go ahead and like the stream.